Samsung has recently just unveiled a couple of products during their Unpacked event a few days ago. And that includes the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 and also the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. On a side note, Xiaomi has also revealed their brand new tablets called the Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 and also the Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 Pro. And without further ado, let's get started on today's episode of Ichimi. Alright, so let's start off this episode with the big guy, and it is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. And like its predecessor, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 has two displays. The main screen is a 7.6-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and has support for HDR10, while the secondary display is a 6.2-inch AMOLED screen with the same specs. You will also be getting the top-of-the-line Snapdragon 888 processor and also 12GB of RAM. Besides that, it also has a triple camera setup at the back and a 10MP camera on the front cover. As for its main display, you may have noticed there's no notch or punch hole as Samsung have put a 4MP under-display camera beneath the primary screen. And as expected, there's stylus support too in the form of S Pen Pro and S Pen Fold Edition. It also has IPX8 water resistance, so that means you'll get the extra protection. In terms of battery life, it is actually slightly smaller than its predecessor, which is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 at 4400 mAh. And in terms of its pricing, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 will start at $1,799 which is $200 less than its predecessor. However, we don't have the pricing and availability details here in Malaysia just yet, but if it does come to Malaysia, we will keep you updated. Besides the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, Samsung has also launched another foldable smartphone, and it is called the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. First, let's start off with the two displays on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. The main display is a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display that comes with a 120Hz refresh rate. And on the outside, the screen gets a big upgrade as Samsung has fitted a 1.9-inch AMOLED display on it. It is located right next to the rear cameras and have a pixel density of 302 ppi, which is enough to give you details about your notifications and time. And speaking of cameras, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 comes with a dual camera setup and also a 10MP selfie camera. Plus, it also gets IPX8 water resistance and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. It also comes with a 3300 mAh battery with 15W fast charging. And inside its core, it gets the top-of-the-line Snapdragon 888 processor with 8GB of RAM. But just like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, we don't have the pricing details of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 either. But in US, it is starting from $999. Alright, so next up, we are going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. And fun fact, this is actually their cheapest earbuds that comes with a bunch of interesting features and also ANC. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 have been redesigned by Samsung for a more comfortable fit so that you can wear it all day without any discomfort. At the same time, it also offers premium sound quality thanks to the addition of ANC to the Galaxy Buds 2, which is something that wasn't on the Samsung Galaxy Buds. As for the design, Samsung says that this is their smallest and lightest wireless earbuds ever, just at 5g per earbud. It looks similar to the more premium Galaxy Buds Pro and also has a woofer and tweeter in each earbuds for better highs and deeper basses. Alright, in terms of pricing, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 is priced at $149.99. So just like the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 and also the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3, we don't have the pricing for these earbuds either, so you can stay tuned to Soy Chin Chow for more updates. Alright, so last on Ichimi, we're actually going to talk about the new tablets from Xiaomi, and they are called the Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 and also the Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 Pro. And this is actually one of the more powerful Android tablets in the market now. Okay, so let's start off with the Mi Pad 5. Alright, so this device comes with an 11-inch WQHD Plus IPS display, a Snapdragon 860 processor with 6GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage. And it also should be noted that the Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 is a Wi-Fi only tablet, so that means it doesn't come with 5G and also SIM support. And besides that, you'll also be getting a 13MP back camera and also an 8MP camera for selfies. And in terms of battery life, it comes with an 8720 mAh battery with 33W fast charging. And now let's move on to the Mi Pad 5 Pro. If you are expecting a bigger screen on the Pro variant, while unfortunately it still comes with the same 11-inch W Quad HD Plus IPS LCD display. But the good news is that you are actually getting a more capable Snapdragon 870 processor. Camera-wise, things gets a little weird as while both the Mi Pad 5 Pro and the Mi Pad 5 Pro 5G features a dual camera setup on the rear, the main shooter is different on the two tablets. The Mi Pad 5 Pro has a 30MP main sensor, while the Mi Pad 5 Pro 5G gets upgraded to a 50MP sensor. Both tablets also comes with a 5MP depth of field sensor and also an 8MP selfie camera. There's also an 8600mAh battery with 65W fast charging. The Mi Pad 5 series is now available for purchase in China. Unfortunately, there's no word just yet on whether or not they are bringing it to Malaysia, but seeing as Xiaomi had previously registered the Mi Pad 5 with Sirim, it could just be a matter of time. Alright, so that's it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like our video if you liked it and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also click on the notification bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. And also remember to catch us on TikTok because we post a lot of content there. So all you have to do is to search for Soya Chin Chow TikTok on TikTok. And that's it from me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!